Dude, you have been binge eating mints for days now. Come on.
You want any?
No, I don't want any fucking mints. Alright? Why are you acting like such a baby about this anyway? It's not like you haven't been fired before.
I don't know, man. This is just like the third job that I've had in as many months. I just don't know if I can start all over again.
You know what you have to do, right?
Oh, come on, man. You have more money than the mayor of town. Can't you just spot me for like a month or forever?
Hey, you give a man a fish he eats for a day. You teach a man to fish, and he can maybe sell some of those fish and make enough money to maybe pay the fucking rent on time once in a while. You think I'm not just chomping at the bit to kick you out and get one of these Vox Torps?
Yeah, it's a nice Vox Torp.
I know, I'm thinking about getting two. That said, I did actually find you an interview. So how do you feel about alarm systems?
I don't know.
Yeah, nobody really does. But hold this for a second. But just go to this address tomorrow morning at 11:30 and pretend like you love them.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Wait, you got 2 Vox Torp money?
I got 9 Vox Torp money, dude.
Shit. God damn it. Oh, no.
Hi, welcome to Tell Your Mom Alarm Systems. How can I help you?
Oh, yeah, I'm Mark Reynolds. I'm here for a job interview.
Oh. I'm really sorry to hear that. You must be terribly desperate.
Yeah, very.
Yeah. You know, I know that face. That means it was pretty bad, wasn't it?
What?
Your How I Got Fired story?
Oh, yeah. I really, fucked it up. I was a valet over at Riverside, and the mayor came in for dinner last week. After his meal, he came out and handed me a ridiculously greasy and sweaty ticket, and I went to grab his car. Boy, was this man into Coldplay. I handed him his keys, so he was all, "This is not my car." And I was like, "It matches the ticket." And his aide was like, "This isn't the mayor's car. What have you done with the mayor's car?" I was one to meet the mayor, so I was starstruck, and I didn't know what to say. Never meet your heroes. I panicked, and so I just told him, "You can drive this car." So now the mayor's crying, and his aide's consoling him. And this large dude comes out of nowhere. It's like, "Yo, asshole, what are you doing with my car?" And the mayor's like, "This guy said I could take it." And the guy was like, "No, you take responsibility for yourself." And he just starts pounding the shit out of the mayor. And this guy was relentless. I mean, he just wouldn't stop. Oh, man, it was brutal. And then the aide got involved. I fled the scene like a hero. Anyway, the mayor just got out of the hospital. Now, I'm not a valet anymore.
Okay. Well, Kevin will be with you in about 5 minutes.
Fine, I'm gonna go take a toozy.
Oh,
You got this. You got this. You are the man. You are a sexy, sexy man. Oh, God, I hope this goes okay.
What is happiness?
Puppy?
Oh. Happiness is catching snowflakes on your tongue. What do you know about my company?
You guys manufacture alarms?
Yeah, what does that mean to you?
I'm not sure what you mean.
It means that my company is the lifeblood of the community. We heal the sick, feed the poor, All because safety matters. I matter. Do you matter?
Yeah.
If you don't feel safe, what does that say about you as a man?
I don't know.
Okay. Bueno. So, you into women?
Yeah, I guess.
Good. We won't have a problem then. So normally I have my employees sign a non-compete, but I don't think it's going to be an issue with you. You seem very competitive. I like that. We're going to see where this goes. Now, sell me my alarm system.
I've never met your alarm system.
Sell me my alarm system.
Okay, it has a range of 2,000 meters, and it calls the police when people break into your house.
I got dogs. Why do I need an alarm system?
I don't know. It'll outlive your dogs.
Trying to hurt my dogs. This guy wants to kill my dogs.
You what?
Oh. Mint? Fuck. Oh, come on, man, pick up.
Hey, you've reached Cy Flunderman. I can't make it to the phone right now. Probably busy giving money to charity, or teaching a dog sign language, or searching for the rarest truffles in all the world. Or maybe my phone's just on silent. Or maybe you're my former roommate, Mark Reynolds, who I don't want to talk to right now because I'm busy moving all of his freeloading shit onto the front lawn to make room for a fancy cabinet. Either way, to paraphrase my uncle, happiness is loading your first Voxtorp into the back of the mayor's car. So leave me a message after the beep.
Are you kidding me, man? That job interview you set up was a nightmare, and now you're kicking me out? Call me back as soon as you get this. God, where did I put those mitts? Mint?